Good evening, everybody. I'm headed out to this isn't really an exciting call. Dodge 1500 lost the wheel. I don't know if they broke off the lug studs or what happened. Not going to be a super exciting call. However, it is on Interstate 24 eastbound, where they currently have, they're having some road construction. And they have all eastbound traffic in the westbound lane, so traffic is both running east and westbound in the westbound lanes. So this guy is on the eastbound side of the westbound lanes. There's a concrete divider between them, and he is just barely off the side of the road, he said. This is one of the dangers that we've been facing. I've been waiting for a good time to do a video on this construction zone that we've been having to deal with. It's been causing all kinds of issues around here. So, like I said, I'm headed out that way, and it's not going to be a super exciting video, but it's sketchy every time we got to go out here, because you know traffic still, they don't care to slow down and move over, and they don't have anywhere to move over to doing it this way, the way they have I-24 set up now, so they still don't slow down. So you really got to be careful and watch your back. So we're going to get out here and get this truck loaded up as quick as we can and roll on, and hopefully we don't get hit. All right, see you when I get on scene. As you can tell, there's a concrete median and a cable barrier, so there's not a whole lot of room to get off on the shoulder of the road when you have an issue. And then you know we come out and we're wider than most vehicles, you know, because we got to tow them, and we got to figure out how to finesse into that little lane, little breakdown lane. I swear they should always put the cable barriers in the median, but they don't. So here we are. Yeah, traffic's pretty much come to a stop here because people can't figure it out. At least they're going slow. It's not uncommon to get a break in traffic and then somebody comes and blows your doors off at 70 mile an hour. Even though the speed limit's 55, but we all know how people follow the speed limit. So I'm gonna get up here on scene, speak with the member, and come back once we start getting it hooked up. All right. Well, I didn't know the law was coming out. That makes me feel better.
Well, that's why I said I had to keep cop cars, because I was scared for myself.
Did you call them out?
Yeah,
okay, yeah, I appreciate it. Hell yeah. Huh?
Pop the e-brake?
Is it a manual?
Yeah.
Just leave it for now.
Okay. I got the trailer undone.
Okay, trailer is unhitched?
Yep, we're good to go.
Good deal, sweet.
Yep.
Did you find your wheel and tire?
Yeah. 100 feet back that way.
Well, that's good.
Yeah. How much you have
to get it replaced? It all depends on what it broke.
Do what?
Because it really all depends on what it broke.
Yeah, I don't even know, man.
You may get lucky with just a hub, you know?
Yeah, well, I'm hoping.
And get an alignment.
Right. Well, I'm hoping.
I mean, you can get a hub online for $75 for these. Well, I didn't know law enforcement was coming out, so of course traffic's not blowing the doors off, which is nice. Oh. Hey bub, your daughter's calling for you. You got the parking brake off? Okay. All right. Yeah, leave it off. Key in it? You got the key?
No.
All right.
Wireless.
Yeah. Yeah? Hey, it could have been worse, buddy. Yeah, you could have went into the cable barrier, the concrete. Could have done all kinds of stuff. As you can see, it can get dangerous out here. Where'd you hide it, Dodge?
Wow, a second-gen Dodge with the inner fender still in it?
Whoa. Oh, that's no bueno. Yeah, I'm just gonna jack your hitch because I can't, mine's in my toolbox over there and I can't get to it. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Oh, it fits. Where's the hole at? There it is. All right. Now I'm gonna back up. You don't have to get me perfect.
Okay.
Just get me about yay far away, about 6 inches to either side. I don't have to be perfectly straight. Everything back there is adjustable.
Okay.
Take us a second to hook it up. I just can't see it. I thought I heard something come out with my chains, but I guess I was wrong.
Broke down. They're trying to load them up on a rack to get them out of the way. Shops down there, got traffic stop.
I'm gonna get away from this barrier a little bit.
I didn't get a mile marker, but it's on the eastbound side. They're about 2 or 3 miles back.
There's something right there in the road. And I ran over with both sets of tires. Terrified me.
Gas probably about 61, 62 right in there somewhere.
I told you, you ain't got to get me perfect, just close. Hang on. Go ahead and spin that up. All right, watch yourself real quick. I'm gonna suck this in and straighten it out. All right, go ahead and continue cranking that up. I gotta go grab my wheel skate from over here.
Hey, Addy. I'm coming this way.
Didn't know a record driver was a tightrope walker, did you? We are jack of all trades. Hey, how are you? My name's Michael. What's your name? Addie. Oh. I'm gonna pull out on the roadway and then y'all can jump in with me.
Cool.
If you guys would just come out over here. No farther than I'm going with this trailer. I'm just taking it down to the exit. Normally I would throw safeties and a tow light and everything on it. I got 2 cops right behind me. And I'm trying to get the roadway open. But I have like I said, normally I would throw safeties and a tow light on it, but I'm just going a couple miles up to the exit to get it out of here so his dad can come hook up to the trailer and I can take the truck about 45 miles away. All right. As always, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.